So you need like half of this, half of a firmer margarine or butter and half of a lighter one. Okay?
Alright, I have the pound one and the chiffon.
Okay, no, but those are two heavy ones. The bulk one is heavy and the chiffon is heavy but not so heavy. So you need something with something lighter to go with. So I would classify the pound one and the chiffon almost the same. So Michelle, you are gonna need something like an anchor to put with. Mind you, the pound butter them can be so heavy. Compact brown sugar, soft is the best one. Compact brown sugar, soft, it is the best one. It's easily mixed, better texture, better everything. I don't have the compact one, so I'm using the coarse granules one. And this would be 12 ounces of sugar. Or you could go 10. Okay, the butter and the sugar must be on par. You could go 10 if you want your cake sweeter. You could also go 8 too. But bear in mind that you're going to have less moisture. So whilst going down in the mixing, you have to have something to bring back the moisture. Like a jam or depending on the type of fruits. If you have a lot of prunes, it will replace the moisture from the less brown sugar. Because the prunes is sweet and it has this moistness, you could use a little jam. Alright? So we're going to start back now, and we're going to start on the low. Starting on the low right here, you're just blending the sugar with the butter. You're just getting it mixed in for about a half a minute to a minute because it's on low. So the butter, the sugar now is harsher. So you're going to have to bring it up now. You mix that. You're going to bring up the mixer now, up to about medium. And you're going to do that. So, we're multitasking because the creaming and the butter and the sugar is still happening here. Alright. Now, it is time with the dry mixer, you put in everything and sit. First, follow the sequence and make yourself a sequence that you don't forget. Yeah, what are you using to whip your butter out, to soften your butter then?
I'm using a mixer.
Alright, go ahead. What kind of sugar you have? The coarse granules one?
Yeah.
Alright. So you're gonna preheat the oven with the water in there. Okay?
Yeah.
Michelle, you don't preheat, look here, you don't preheat the oven when you're about to put in the cake, you put in the water. You're lowering the temperature of the oven after you put in the cake. So preheat the oven with the water. As soon as you preheat the oven, put the container with the water. Yeah. $175, $350, $350, $360 Fahrenheit, 175 Celsius. Get that? Got that, ladies? Hello? Right, you're good? So me away from them, my own curl. So me there away from them.
Nobody has shake.
Yeah, I feel see, show me that to stop it. So I mix. We just stop our weight panel. But it's okay. Oven preheated. Anybody that feels difficulty, nobody not answer. No one is answering. Why? Who under pressure? Anybody under pressure? In order to just go light, just greater light. And if you don't know your measurements as I do, grate in something and get your measurements out. You don't want to get too much of this in there. Okay, because a little of this green lime rind, it goes a long way with the juice. It goes a long way. Also, maybe at the end when you're finishing up the batter, you might want a little extra lime juice. Juice, not rind. Juice. So you want to save a little. I'll show you when we reach at that point. So you can grate in something and look at mine. You see I'm grating? Let me show you something. You see I'm grating all the way and all the green is gone and the white is left. You don't want to get this white in here till you see the direct flesh of the lime or whatever the pulp. You don't want to get it in there. They just go light. I don't want you getting that in your cake at all. So, so everybody put in, Michelle, you have your measurement of your lime and lime juice. Green lime rind and juice.
Yes, almost finished.
Yeah. Make sure you use your strainer. You don't want to get the lime seed in your cake now. Not at all. If it should happen like that and the correct way, you juice it in something, but you're making a small cake. You must can't angle yourself. You just juice it over there. If you're using the store-bought lime juice, which I really don't recommend, but if that's what you have, that's what you have. You might not have the lime to get the rind, but if you can try, because the lime rind is so active in taking out the raw, extra rawness of the cake. 2/3 going in right now. $364 and cut. 364 and cut. Next patient, same treatment. $364 and cut. Michelle?
Yeah.
You just start putting in your flour. I saw a yellow thing up there. What is that yellow thing?
Where?
Scrape around your butter. Whilst you 364 and cut, you scrape around your edges. You're gonna taste, or you're gonna look for the color of your browning. Now, at this point when you're through, if you find that you have got to acquire a special black cake taste, you're gonna acquire your taste as you bake and go along. Try to find out what you get right now if it suits you. Put in browning. Why am I seeing yellow from Michelle? Put in some, Michelle, you don't want them more. Let me see your batter, Sophia. Hold your batter up. Hold your batter up and drop it. Alright, end mixing now, Sophia. Yeah, we don't want too much over mixing. We're gonna get some crack in our cake, but it's okay. You can close your cracks with your rum and your wine. Yeah, you see flour still has skinny teeth?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, into your into your baking pan. And you just want to guide yourself down.
No, it's alright, Kimmy.
And you just want to guide yourself down. The cake does not deserve this big knife going down. Skewers and toothpick and cake testers. No butcher knife, please and thank you. I love you all, so I want you to do the right thing.
Yes, Sophia.
She wanna go get this skewer, you know, because she knows she don't have to come over here and put the knife in her cake. So she didn't get the skewer. She knows so we don't endorse that over here. I'm not going on bad, I'm just doing the right thing. And I want you all to do the right thing. This nice mixer that we just mixed up. You think the owner really thinks that this cake deserves this knife, but no. The almost cry card. Yes, remember that the middle bakes last. That means you're making progress. Can anybody see this?
Yeah. No.
Yeah, I see it. You can't see it.
Can you see it, Garcia?
No, yes. I'm only seeing Garcia.
Click on it. Click on Miss Debbie if your phone, maybe all your phone set.
But my one can't even be seen right there.
Yeah, I see everybody.
Camera, yeah.
Oh, she set her screen to stay. But you can click
Another thing to test if your cake is ready, just simply use your index finger, your middle finger, and press at the middle. And when it springs back, it means your cake is ready. Right now, don't delay the alcohol. This is beautiful. This is a, Kimmy, could you catch this cake for me? This is a beautiful cake.
I'm going to take the picture yet when I finish, sure?
Yes, Sophia? Yeah, I know. Don't put any foil paper or anything over it, you know, Sophia. Yeah. I told you it would close as it goes along. How you feel? How you feel, Sophia? How you feel about what you did? Okay, darling. You need to turn on your camera.
Or your internet, if it not going to say, no, your internet.
So I'm going to leave that. And this cake with the depth of it is going to take, between tonight to morning, it's going to take all of this liquor. Foil paper. So you cover down your liquor now, you know, with foil paper. Because the strength of it will just evaporate out.
Sit here.
Yeah, cover up, yeah. So this is what we have. Take the cake, Kimmy. Take it and show them.